Truly wireless earbuds has been dominating the headphone market for the past couple of years, and there is a valid reason for that. I am happy to see that more and more people are moving towards with wireless, since it is very convenient and wireless is the future. Now, of course, the reason why they're so popular these days is because of Apple. Ever since they released Apple AirPods back in 2016, it became a trend. Come 2018, 2 years later, 2018 came and AirPods sold over 35 million units just in America. Imagine if they counted the whole world. Now, of course, Apple wasn't the first company to think of making truly wireless earphones. They weren't the first to release them, but they were the first to make it well known, since Apple sets the bar for certain gadgets such as smartphones, headphones, and tablets. But not everyone can afford Apple AirPods, so in this video, I will show you a solution. This is the Anker Soundcore Life P2 Mini. I'm gonna be comparing this with regular AirPods. Yes, regular AirPods and not AirPods Pro because they are active noise cancelling, and those cost for about $250, so it wouldn't be a fair comparison. Here are the reasons why it's probably the best alternative for Apple AirPods. If you notice on the top left corner, it says Soundcore by Anker. Now, if you don't know, Anker is a very trustworthy company. It is currently the world's #1 charging brand. So that means they're the best in making power banks, chargers, and other charging gadgets. So they made a sub-brand that focuses only on the music industry, which is Soundcore. Soundcore is their sub-brand that focuses on headphones, earphones, speakers, and anything that has to do with music. Rest assured that all of their products are made from high quality and they're all premium. I do not recommend you guys to be buying replicas. Since these replicas are made from generic brands, there's no assurance how long it will last. A few months ago, I actually bought a pair of these replicas to test how they sound. After 6 months, it broke. It didn't produce any more sound. It just simply died on me. So that is why I don't recommend you guys to be buying these replicas or knockoffs. Because, again, you cannot tell whether or not these things will last. So pro tip, if you do want Apple AirPod alternatives, go buy from trustworthy companies such as Soundcore. Alright, I've talked too much. Let's get back to the unboxing. So as expected, the box was nicely packed by Anker. And here in the front, you will be seeing the image of the earbuds. And you will also be seeing the minor highlights and specifications of this device. Same goes for the side and back, just some simple details about the product. On the bottom are other important details such as warnings and other important information. So of course, what you will be getting is the earbuds itself, which has this awesome Soundcore logo. I really like the design, it feels premium, and you'll also be getting some manuals and warranty information, which is good since Anker has a 1-year warranty. Next up, we have a USB Type-C cable, which is thick, and of course, since Anker made this is one of the best quality chargers you're gonna get. Lastly, we'll get the extra ear tips for different size ear holes. I do want to talk about design and build quality, and as you've noticed, the design on these headphones is similar to what Apple AirPods offers. It has a stem-like design, and one thing I do like about stem-designed earphones, they often produce better mic quality than those that doesn't have any stem. Obviously, the stem is closer to your mouth. Normally, it would deliver a much better sounding microphone. In terms of the design of the case, I really love the simple and minimal design this has. It has a matte black finish, and it also has a glossy finish surrounding the sides. Again, I think it's a nice touch since it adds with a nice look. Now, this being matte black is very beneficial since you won't get that much scratches. Compared to the AirPods has this glossy white finish, and if you don't know, AirPods is very prone to scratches. But anyway, again, when you're buying products from Soundcore, just know that you're buying high quality and premium products, and this doesn't disappoint. Unlike other type of budget earphones, it doesn't feel flimsy, and you just know that you have a high quality product. This also has an IPX5 water resistant rating, so you wouldn't have to worry if this gets wet due to sweat from workouts or simply getting caught in the rain. Moving on to probably the best feature of these earbuds, which actually blew my mind away, is the battery life. The battery life on this offers 8 hours on a single charge. For comparison, the Beats Fit Pro also offers 8 hours. AirPods Pro offers 6 hours. The Galaxy Buds 2 and regular AirPods offers 5 hours of battery life. So this being able to compete with those brands is very, very impressive. Anchor or Soundcore is no slouch, so that is pretty much expected from them. Now, if you're gonna combine it with the case, you will be getting an overall 32 hours of battery life. So basically, you'll be able to charge the earbuds up to 4 times using this case. Because apparently, 8 times 4 is 32. So whether or not you're watching tons of movies or tons of series, you won't have to worry about battery life anytime soon. Now, connecting this was a bit different from the rest of the earbuds that I have tried, because before you can connect this with your device, you'll have to charge the case first for about 10 minutes. Then after that, you'll open up the case to turn on the earbuds. And that's when you can pair the earphones, which was pretty different from the rest of the earbuds that I've tried, but still a very simple process nonetheless. Now for the connection, this has a Bluetooth 5.2 feature. Bluetooth 5.2 is the latest type of Bluetooth connectivity. So far, I haven't had any connection issues. And every time I watch and play video games, the audio is 1-to-1 sync. So if you're wondering how the latency is, that's your answer. Although this doesn't have that noise cancelling feature, it does have that passive noise cancelling, and in order to get the best experience of passive noise cancelling, you will have to find the perfect size of ear tip that you'll be most comfortable with, one that fits your ears the best. Because once you do get that perfect size, you'll have a very tight and snug fit, and normally, the background noise will lessen, therefore providing a better listening experience. Not to mention that these earbuds are also very feature-packed, providing 3 EQ modes. First EQ is the Soundcore Signature Sound, which gives you a nice and balanced listening experience. Second EQ is Voice Clarity. It enhances voices, and this is great for podcasts and watching movies because the voices really do get louder and clearer. And lastly, we have Bass Boost, which is the one that most people would use. These also feature 10mm dynamic drivers, which plays a huge role in the bass department because the larger the drivers, the better the audio experience and better sound quality. Which is why over-ear headphones always sound better than these tiny earphones since they can fit larger drivers inside. The volume also gets very loud, and normally with my previous earphones, I'd always have to turn the volume up to 100% to drown out the background noise. But compared with these, 75% of volume is enough to remove all the noise in the background. It actually gets pretty scary when you wear these because the volume is really loud. Do believe this is the best budget earphones out in the market right now. Since it's made from a quality brand, I truly didn't waste any money and I'm completely satisfied with my purchase. Anyway, to conclude this video, this is the best alternative to Apple AirPods and the best at its price point. I think it's on sale. I will link it down in the description below if you're interested in buying this out. If you did like this video, don't forget to leave a like. And I also see that 98% of you who are watching my videos aren't subscribed, so please let me ask you, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button right now because it really helps out the channel grow. Thank you for watching and I hope I see you on the next one.